Do you like to stop and watch children play in greenery? Or watch the clouds tumbling behind the trees as you walk to work? Would you want to sit in a park and talk to someone you love? And will you call this place your home in your city?
Our family vacations are to places where there are clean paths and so much space. You know those places where you can see a lot of sky? Everything is thought out. Not a single thing is out of place. I want to stay in a city which is global like that, where there's absolutely no compromise on the quality of life.
I aspire for a lifestyle that does not feel like a grind. And I think after working hard and long, I deserve a place where I can wake up to birdsong. I need a beautiful place that is well designed and I'm proud of living in.
I want to leave a better world for my kids. I need a city where there's open spaces, vehicle-free zones that feel safe. I want my family to live close to nature always. Why should there be getaways? My home should be my getaway, and I should stay in smiling.
I would like to live in a city where more than basic needs are addressed, where there are better footpaths, no open drains and sewers, and the traffic is orderly. I would like to live in surroundings that help me be positive and productive every day.
At Pride, we heard you. We understand that any built environment affects the lives of the people who live in it. With this in mind, we envision a quality of life and a city that is designed for you.
How to build a city? We need a location which is futuristic and improve with time. Hence we chosen Charoli, which is surrounded by the hill, north of Pune, next to the airport. Also emerging as a geographical center of Greater Pune.
We have to understand the terrain and the weather to define the size and shape of the city and the movements within the city. We visited the site and found the site to be very interesting. It had a beautiful mountain backdrop, free-flowing valleys, natural water ponds. This natural setting inspired us to use more organic free-flowing forms in the design and come up with an integrated master plan which emulates nature.
Yeah, and it has large seamless green spaces, no hard edges or boundaries, vehicular free zone, and also we are trying to create such a kind of a neighborhood wherein we will be maintaining a concept of walk to work and walk to school kind of a culture. Thus creates an environment which is more in tune with nature and less invasive to it.
Whenever I travel abroad, I always compare the standard of living there and back home in India. So I want to bring that concept in India, the wider road, continuous footpath, cycle tracks, walk to work, and a beautiful skyline too. The growing class of people deserve well-organized, a cleaner and greener environment. On the basis of this, the idea of Pride World City was born.
These elements, built over 400 acres, with over half of it as open spaces and green cover, will make the Pride World City a beautiful living environment that you will want to live in. The design involves bringing nature closer to us. We're carefully choosing indigenous trees and plants that help the environment. We aim to create a balanced ecosystem that is easy on our eyes and on our planet. Pride World City is an environment designed to positively affect the people who live and work there. It will be completely self-contained, providing everything needed for a balanced and satisfying life. This environment will nurture a harmonious and peaceful living among all, a life full of experiences in a global city.
We will provide you the world-class infrastructure, the quality of construction, public utilities, and well-maintained environment. And that's my personal commitment to you. The Pride World City should be the place of pride for you and for me.
Pride World City, a global city, a beautiful life. Your world.